Auto-Rinse is easy to clean. In just a few seconds, the unit can be disassembled. To remove the top cover, lift, pull, tilt up, and slide out. Remove the target plate and rinse platform mat. Disconnect the valve by pressing the button. Lift the rinse platform slightly with both hands and carefully slide it out of the stall. All of these removable components can be placed on a single glass washer rack or washed by hand. Clean the stall with a scrubbing pad safe for stainless steel. Do not use bleach or any harsh chemicals. Use the supply line tube to rinse the stall after scrubbing. After the unit has been washed, place the rinse platform back into the stall. If the rinse platform swings back and forth or is crooked, it's not seated properly on the pins and should be fixed. Reattach the quick disconnect valve. Replace the rinse platform mat and the target plate so the black rubber bumpers are facing forward. The rubber bumpers are for keeping your strainers level if you place them on the rinse platform. Finally, replace the cover as seen here. When you push it back, the pins on the back wall of the stall should slide into the holes on the back of the cover. If it sits at an angle, it's not seated properly. Scrub the removable components at least once a week to keep them clean. Do not use bleach or any other harsh abrasive chemicals.